Friends, before you go to another country, you better know what's the currency of that country. Indian currency is called rupees. United States currency is US dollar. China currency is called yuan. Japanese currency is called yen. United Kingdom currency is called pound. Australia, Australian dollar. Canada, Canadian dollar. UAE, dirham. Saudi Arabia, riyal. Kuwait, Kuwaiti dinar. Bahrain, Bahraini dinar. Philippines, Philippine peso. South Korea, won. Russia, ruble. France, Germany, Italy, Spain, currency are called euros. Argentina and Mexico currencies are called peso. Bangladesh currency is called taka. Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Nepal currency is called rupee. Bye!